Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2009 utility 48 by 102 steel wood unit. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. It's been refurbed, primed, turbo blasted, primed and repainted. This unit does have a brand new kingpin plate in it. All the wood's been patched. As we come down the passenger side here, you can see a brand new buyer's toolbox. As we come to the rear here, we have steel refurbed rims on the outer with brand new tires. Beautiful unit, sliding tandem, excellent tire condition, brand new brakes and drums on this unit. This is a spring ride unit. As we come to the rear, you can see the universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett and a Princeton and many other brands. As you can see, it's a nice, straight, beautiful unit. Steel wood combo with a universal kit. As we come to the driver's side, you can see all new, brand new straps. All of our trucks and trailers get new straps on them. Beautiful unit. As we come to the front here, this 2009 48 by 102 with universal kit is available for sale. Folks, it's a great unit. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Thank you for your time.